Hey, what's up, compadre? How you doing? Jeff Heyman here. All right, so short little tutorial for you today on a free Gif Banner Creator. I use this for my affiliate marketing business. You can use this for anything that you're promoting, anything, any media that you're buying that you need to get a banner. You need to create a banner. You can create any size banner. And recently, they just unrolled a feature that allows you to create GIF banners. What's cool about this as well, you can create unlimited banners. There is an upgrade. I've never upgraded in it because I've found that all the free tools they have are more than sufficient. So yeah, it's just a cool all-around tool that you can use. And if you're also in affiliate marketing, like myself, and you'd like to get extra traffic, if you'd like me to show you how I get up to 100 free leads per day in my business without having to pay for advertising, anything like that, click the link in the description and I'll show you how to do that. So that being said, let's get to the tutorial. Hey, what's going on, compadre? All right, so just wanted to make this quick little training video for you. It's a way to make banners for free that stand out, and it's using canva.com. And I've used Canva for a long time, but they just enabled a feature that allows you to create GIFs. All right, so I'm just going to create a little button banner here, and we're just going to create a new design. These button banners are popular in traffic exchanges. They're popular in list builders. So what I'm going to do is just create a very simple banner here. Let's go to background. And I'm going to be promoting my Facebook group. Which also has a bonus training that teaches how to get up to 100 free leads per day. So that's going to be my headline. And you can upload images, guys. You can upload all sorts of stuff. So that's what I'm going to do next. You would just, push text and you slide over your text. You can put whatever sort of usually like to with the there we go. I'm going to try to make it as big as possible because this is a button banner. And so they're pretty small. So I'm going to try to make that text as big as I can. Alright, so now I'm going to pull over an image. Like I said, you can upload as many images as you want. So I'm just going to go to uploads right here. And I'm going to show you how to do the GIF here in a minute, which is pretty cool. Makes it stand out. All right, so then we're just going to put a play button. Super simple banner, guys. But what makes it cool is it's going to help stand out. Now watch. We're going to click this little button here that says animate. And then you can have different animations all for free. And so let's just check a few of them out. Alright, so that's pretty cool. And then you can set how many seconds that it goes. So 2 seconds there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and download this. And we want to download it as a GIF. In the meantime, an easy place, fast place to host images is imgur.com. And so I'm going to come right here to images and Imgur, and we're just going to upload, add a heading. All right, so that's what it was called. And now check it out. Let's look at our banner that we just created super quick. And of course you can do this for any size. Let's see if I've got another size that I actually uploaded here. Yep, there is a different size banner. Another one. So yeah, guys, very simple way using Canva to create a banner that you can get out there. You can stand out from the rest. I don't create a lot of banners for my students just because I want people to go out and create their own banners, because that's going to help you stand out. If everybody's out there promoting the exact same thing, then you're going to get less clicks. All right, so once again, Canva, it's free. If you need to host your images, I recommend imgur.com. It's free. And then you can actually even create GIFs that stand out, and, with animations. That way you can also get more clicks that way as well. So hopefully this little banner tutorial helps you, and we'll see you next time. Take it easy.